Roku is changing what 100 million users see on their TV. Roku is rolling out its first major home screen overhaul in more than a decade, promising a smarter and more personalized experience for over 100 million users. Instead of searching through apps and menus, viewers will now see content tailored to their habits, interests, and even the time of day. The redesigned interface aims to reduce endless scrolling and make discovering content faster and more intuitive. When we set out to rethink the home screen, we knew we should listen to the people who use it every day. So we talked to the viewers, we tested extensively, and we pushed until the design and the data lined up for a meaningful update, said Anthony Wood, founder and CEO, Roku. Now, our new home screen puts entertainment at the center of everything, while staying true to Roku's simple, intuitive roots. More than 100 million households will feel the difference the moment they turn on their TV, and it opens up a better, more powerful experience for our partners as well. According to Roku, 82% of viewers want to turn on their TV and instantly see what they want to watch. The new interface uses predictive intelligence models to create personalized layouts for each user. Major upgrades include routine-based quick access for frequently used apps, predictive top picks for you recommendations, and personalized genre hubs like For You and subscriptions. Roku has also added contextual search integration with predictive suggestions, decluttered navigation through a collapsible sidebar, shortcuts for Continue Watching and Save List, Your Daily Scoop, featuring trending entertainment content, and interactive Roku City with a playable version of the popular screensaver. The redesigned Roku home screen launched on May 27th across Roku TVs and streaming devices in the United States. Roku plans to expand the rollout internationally in the coming months as part of its broader global release strategy.